we do the newsletter. So it's funny because when we signed on with you, I did not sign on for the newsletter because I was like, no, I don't want to spend extra money. Let's find out the digital version. But then, funny thing, business picked up and I'm like, hey, let's try it out. And within, I think, 2 newsletters, patients start calling and say like, hey, I got this. I have a new injury. I want to come back. Just making it personal too. They know, hey, it's still Mark and Sonia in there. It's still the same people in there. And people just start calling you. So you just have to do, you just have to do it. So we do the newsletter online and by mail.
The way how Google works is it's not, if you get 100 reviews in a day, like that's not the best thing in the world. Having 5-10 reviews every month is probably the best. You need the continuation. That's how the online marketing works. That's how the online presence works. Rather than a bunch of reviews at the same time. So it should be more of a continuity.
Yeah, great point there. So we're not just talking about, obviously people's perception of you, but what does Google say when it comes to ranking you? GrowthX is an amazing system and generates awesome results. But what if you could get even more new patients into it? Hi, I'm Neil Trickett, CEO of Practice Promotions, and we work closely with Breakthrough and practice owners to generate even more leads for your practice through direct-to-consumer marketing. In fact, we have the distinct honor of helping Chad and the team at Madden Physical Therapy to update their website, Google marketing systems, blogs, and patient newsletters to generate even more new patients for them. We strengthen your ability to get in front of more people online. Just imagine how many people in your community right now are skimming for help with their pain or problem. The question is, will they find you? With the power of GrowthX and Practice Promotions, they will. If you improve your ability to be discovered online via Google and Facebook, the more patients you will be able to draw in. In addition, you also have an incredible goldmine of patients to treat in your customer list. The question is, how well are you marketing to them right now? With GrowthX and Practice Promotions, you have more ways to provide amazing content and offers to your customer list, stimulating patients to take action to come back in for care or sending a friend or family to your practice. At Practice Promotions, we help take your marketing ROI to a whole new level by leveling up your website to a lead capturing machine, doubling the volume of people discovering your website on Google, driving more organic traffic into your GrowthX landing pages and system, increasing the patient experience for more word-of-mouth referrals, marketing patient reactivation systems, and much more. We have a special offer for GrowthX attendees, the Practice Website Performance Checklist. In this checklist, we are giving away our key tactics that will improve your website's ability to capture more leads and generate new patients. With this checklist, you will learn how you can tweak your website for better performance, more discoverability online, and find real-world examples of top-performing PT clinic websites. To get this checklist, simply go to practicepromotions.net/growthx and download it right now. This is Neil Trickett from Practice Promotions, wishing you much success and enjoy the rest of your conference. Have you guys been able to take some more vacations?
Yes, we have. We've been taking, quite a bit of vacations. So we went to, at the beginning of the year, we were in India. We've been going to Costa Rica and just try, we actually purchased a lake house recently, and we just got back yesterday from that place. So
fantastic.
But yeah, before we were able to do those kind of things, right? Yeah. Because we were always the ones working in the business and not working on the business. Mm-hmm. And it did take a mind shift change, because we were always in that mindset like, oh, we're the only ones that can run the practice. We know what we're doing.